way. What is that, buddy? Oh my gosh, is that a truck?
Bennett, look.
Oh, that was it.
Bennett, look.
It's a digger. Come do it. Can you ride it? Can you ride? Can you get on there and ride it? Yes, sit on this. Oh my gosh. Bennett. Hey, Bennett, say cheese. Bennett, can you say cheese? Bennett, can you say cheese? Cheese!
Look at these bugs on me.
Oh my gosh, you have them on your head.
I know.
Are you
Get what you need from him, because he's a little ball of candy right now for the bugs. Hey, buddy! Hey, buddy! They call him Bulldozer.
Bennett, look at the digger. What's it do? Can you say cheese?
Oh, he wants to put stuff in the bucket.
Oh my gosh. Bennett,
Okay,
that's
I'm
good.
getting eaten alive.
Okay, you can stop it.